Hi, my name is Jason H. I have a 2014 Tundra Platinum version Crewmax. A week and a half ago, I rolled over 1 million kilometers. I bought the truck, original owner from Mayfield Toyota, now is called West Edmonton Toyota. Actually, this is my second Tundra. I had a 2007 that I drove to 585,000 kilometers. The truck is retired now. I used to use it as an oil field contractor, so there was a lot of off-road, country roads, back roads, highway, up north, BC, Saskatchewan. Pretty sure they still have a program where you get lifetime free oil changes, so I've continued my maintenance, probably 90% of it here at the dealership. I probably had about 60 or 70 oil changes over the years, but that's key to maintenance on the truck, I think. Dealing with the professionals and proper maintenance of the vehicle. Never had any problems, always performed 100%, and that was the key why I always bought a Tundra and Toyotas over the years. I think it's a testament to the great vehicles they are. I definitely would buy another Tundra. I do like the new style of the one, and I also do like the Tacoma. So it would be a hard choice. I've convinced a few people over the years to buy Tundras, and they've been super happy. Yeah, great trucks.